State the ranges of values for which y is x to the 4 plus 4x cubed minus 18x squared plus 24x plus 7 is concave down and concave up. So dy dx is going to be 4x cubed plus 12x squared minus 36x plus 24. And so d2y dx squared is going to be 12x squared plus 24x minus 36. Now let's consider where d2y dx squared is equal to 0. So that means that 12x squared plus 24x minus 36 is equal to 0. So x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. And we can solve that by factorising x and x, 3 and 1, plus and minus. So when x is negative 3, or when x is equal to 1. So let's look at what happens if x is less than negative 3. So just choose a value such as negative 4, for example. So that's going to be 12 multiplied by negative 4 squared, add 24 times negative 4, take away 36, that's 60. So d2y dx squared is positive. Let's look between negative 3 and 1. So let's just choose a value there such as 0. So for 0 we can see it's negative 36. So d2y dx squared is less than 0. And let's look at x is greater than 1, so choose a value like 2, for example. So let's just go through and replace those negative 4s with 2s. So let's put a 2 there, and put a 2 there, and let's see what happens. So that's positive. So remember, when it's negative, that's concave down. When it's positive, that's concave up. So we can say, so we want concave down first, that x is between negative 3 and 1, and then in part B we can say that x is less than negative 3 or x is greater than 1. Now let's just have a quick look at the curve and see if that fits our analysis. So let's go to graph and table and get rid of whatever we've got there, and then put our new curve in. So that's x to the 4, add 4x cubed minus 18x squared, add 24x, add 7, and then let's just graph that. And we'll probably want to go from about -5 through to 5 here, and let's make that -100 and 100. That might not be enough. So let's have a look at this curve. So let's do analysis and G-solve. Let's see if we can find some inflections here. So we've got -3 and 1, and I think we need to see more of the curve. So let's make that, say, let's make it 10,000. Make this one 10,000 as well. We should get the curve in there now. We went too far, so sometimes you do have to play with these things a bit. And let's have a look. So, well, we can see that this is concave up back here, and then that's concave down, and then concave up again here. It's not that easy to see, but you can see generally the shape of the graph. It's vaguely U-shaped here, and here it's vaguely going down, and then it's going back up again here. So that fits with what we've got here, although I'd probably want to zoom in the middle here a little bit and find out exactly what's going on.